This Century 21 Dean Gilbert Realtors property video is presented by Med Smith. Charming 2-bedroom brick home just minutes from all Denison has to offer. Quaint kitchen with lots of cabinets and breakfast bar. Central heat air. Decorative wainscoting. Large fenced-in backyard and workshop w-elec and covered back deck. The single-car attached garage provides off-street parking and built-in storage. New roof 2016, foundation Piers 2016 West warranty, new windows 2017. Come see before is it gone. For more information, review the details below or contact Med Smith at 903-893-5188.